What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Going Vegan. I'm your host, Vinny, and today we are in sunny, hot Monrovia, California. We're at Kevin Hart's joint, Hart House. Let's go cool off because it is too hot inside. I'm ready to eat, so come on. All right, so we just got our food here at Hart House. We opted for the summer special, which is the Nashville hot chicken nuggets. Cool thing about these nuggets is that they are not made from soy, which I tend to avoid soy, meat alternatives. These are actually made pea protein, some wheat protein. They have some other different items in the recipe, but you can find that out all on their website. They have nutritional and allergen information, which is really, really cool. We also opted for the Frots, which is a combination of French fries and tater tots, because I couldn't decide which one I wanted. And got a little natural Coca-Cola. So, last but not least, we obviously have the ketchup. We have the Hart House signature sauce and the creamy Hart House ranch. Everything vegan, hoping everything delicious. We're gonna open these sauces. The nuggets are the star of the show. So let's go ahead and just give it a sample. About a 4. I mean, it's really solid flavor. I'm loving the spice on the nuggets. Very nice spice on the outside, crispy outside. Not the same texture as a fast food nugget that you might be used to. A little bit softer, maybe a little chewier on the inside, but the heat just keeps creeping. It's really nice. Let's try and dunk it in the ranch. I'll give that ranch. Replace it with the ranch in my fridge because, I don't know, that's something special for sure. Standard fry. How can you mess up a fry? I mean, you can for sure, but on point with the fries. Gotta love a good fry. Would I want my fry a little crispier? Yeah, but there's a French fry. Who's not gonna eat a French fry? I'll eat it every day. Tot. Let's try and dunk the tot in the Hart House signature sauce, which looks like a Thousand Island to me. Nice crispy texture on the outside with the tot. With that really cushy inside. Go with the ketchup. Maybe I made a mistake and I should have just went with the tots because they're solid. I'm into it. I mean, I wouldn't eat this every day because I'm not a big fast food guy. But, pretty cool to have a nice vegan option out there. Thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of Going Vegan. I've been your host, Vinny. Thank you so much for watching. And, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so you can see what we got coming up next. All right, see you next time.